question is from section 1.5b, number 20. We are again finding the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line through an ordered pair. So let's take a look at this process. This time in this question, the line is not solved for y, so I don't yet know its slope. So we're going to have to solve it for y first. Alright, so the original line was 3x minus 4y equals 7. If I subtract 3x from both sides, that should give me negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 7. If I divide everything by that negative 4, that should give me y equals negative 3x divided by negative 4. I'll reduce that in a second. Plus 7 divided by negative, divided by negative 4. Okay. Now just to clean this up, we just divided by negative 4. We have two negatives in this first fraction, so two negatives make a positive. And then a positive and a negative make a negative. It's simpler just to have the one symbol. So now we have our first line simplified. We often like to throw the x off this edge of our number so we can more clearly see our slope. Okay. The slope of the original line is 3/4. I should have copied it. Hold on. And that means that the slope of a brand new perpendicular line will be the reciprocal, 4/3, and negative, because they need to be opposites as well as reciprocals. Alright, now we are done using that old line. We don't need it anymore. We just used it so that we could get its slope and then find the perpendicular slope. Now that we know the slope that our new line is going to have, that's what we focus on. We know the equation is going to be y equals mx plus b. I've already found my slope, so we're going to substitute that in for m. And I have an ordered pair, 2, 1, that I can substitute in for, wrong space there, in for x, that would be the 2, and 1 for y. Okay, we want to solve for b. 2 times 4/3 will give us 8/3. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 3 is 3. Then, since that's negative, I'm going to add it to the other side to solve for b. 1 as a fraction would be the same thing as 3/3, and 3 plus 8 is 11, so b is 11/3. Now I have y equals, I know it's mx plus b, and I know that my value of m is negative 4/3, and my value of b is 11/3. So this would be the equation of the line perpendicular to the one we were given, passing through the point 2, 1. And we can check that that was the correct. There was some sort of error, again, when the student calculated it. I hope that makes sense. If not, please send me an email and let me know. Thanks.